Hey guys, this is KyLudwig with BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. We're here on a rainy day outside. Today I'm going to show you the Wildwood Heritage Glen Hyperlight. This one's got one slide out, and let's go take a look inside the coach so we can get out of the rain here. Before we do that, got your pass-through storage right in there. Very spacious. And then we got our solid steps and heading on inside the coach. All right, so as you enter inside the coach here, we got our sleeping space right here as well as a couch. I love this Heritage Glen because it utilizes the space very well. You can utilize it in any way you want. You can either host guests or you can even put this down into a queen bed. Just quite nice. Really good use of the space here. We also got our U-shaped dinette here, which does go ahead and convert into a sleeping space as well. So if you go ahead and go down, then you'll get more space. You can see here, we got just ample storage right here as well. And on the bottom here, more storage. Okay, this does come on the slide out as well. So you go right here, just right in the kitchen. Really nice countertops here. 3-burner stove with the microwave and as well as the radio just right there. You even got the Sansui TV, quite nice. Also got our oven, and then more storage on the bottom here, as well as just access to the pipes as well. We even got our fridge and freezer, spacious. And this is a bunkhouse model, as you can see. Yeah, we got this ladder right here, so your kids can get to the top bunk, and also on the middle bunk. Also love these bunks. It's actually sizable. Like, I feel like I would be able to sleep in there as an adult. So then we can go inside the bathroom here. We got our walk-in shower, as well as our sink here to the left-hand side with a window in there and some fantastic fans. Yeah, and so they utilize the space really well in this Heritage Glen Hyperlight. The 20 BHHL. If you have any questions whatsoever, guys, feel free to give me a call, okay? My phone number is 541-799-8794. Again, my name is Kyle, and I look forward to seeing you. Thanks for watching.